We'll guide you through how to make text uppercase in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because Figma users often need uppercase text for logos, buttons, headings, and branding designs. To make text uppercase in Figma, begin by firing up the Figma app on your computer by clicking its icon to open your workspace. Once the application launches, open the specific design file you want to edit directly from your project dashboard. After the file loads onto your screen, locate the text layer on your canvas that you want to transform and click on it once to select it. If you only want to change a single word or sentence instead of the entire text layer, double-click inside the text box and drag your mouse to highlight only that specific section. Next, move over to the right-hand side of your screen where the Properties panel is located. Scroll downward through the different panel sections until you locate the one clearly labeled typography. Look carefully at the bottom right corner of the typography section where you will find a small sliders icon, which represents additional type settings. Click that sliders icon to open a new floating menu window filled with advanced text controls and formatting options. Near the top of this floating window, locate the section labeled Case. Move your cursor over the icons until you find the one showing two capital letters side by side, which represents the uppercase setting. Click that uppercase icon once and immediately watch your selected text transform into all capital letters directly on your canvas. If you ever decide you want to switch the formatting back or change the text into lowercase instead, simply click the neighboring icons located inside the same settings window. Once you are finished adjusting the capitalization, click anywhere on the empty gray background outside your design canvas to close the Advanced Type Settings pop-over window. Take a moment to review your layout and make sure the newly capitalized text still fits properly inside its bounding boxes and spacing areas. Finally, glance at the top of the screen to confirm your file is fully synced before pressing Ctrl+S or Command+S on a Mac to safely save your updated design progress.